Let's do a more advanced formula, and I encourage you to at least try this once because I think this is a very important way to think about it. There's a lot of tools that I'll show you in a second that are automated to calculate ROI, but I think if you do the actual complicated formula once, it'll give you a sense of how this is calculated in a more advanced fashion. So the way the advanced formula works is you have ROI equal the ending value divided by the beginning value to the power of 1 over the number of years of the investment. This is, again, annual ROI. So again, the best way to do it is through your house investment example. Initial cost 200 grand, ending cost of the house $250,000, and the number of years that you live in the house equals 5. So you put it into the formula, 250 over 200 to the 1/5 equals 0.0456 equals 4.56. Again, I encourage you to try this formula, and it's an interesting way to think about it because it compounds year by year. If you do a simple formula, a simple interest formula that we did in the previous page, you would just simply take 250,000 divided by 200,000 minus 1 divided by 5 will give you what the annual ROI is using simple interest. But that really isn't correct. You should really use this formula in order to get a correct number. So another way to think about this annual ROI is if you invested 200,000 into a savings account or a bond, and it gave you 4.56% annual ROI, at the end of that time frame in 5 years, you would have $250,000. So it's another way to think